In this video, we are going to find the sum of n natural numbers using Python. See the output here. Here, user is asked to enter an input number. Then, the program will find the sum of n natural numbers from 1 to that number. Let's see how the program works. Initially, user is asked to enter an input number, as shown here. If the input number is 10, then the program will print the sum of first 10 natural numbers, as shown below. If the input number is a negative number, then the program will ask the user to enter a positive number. Otherwise, control goes to else part of the program. Here, the value of sum is initialized to 0, and initial value of I is 1. Let's get into the while loop. Suppose our input number is 3. Given initial sum equals 0 and initial value of I equals 1. Now, the condition of while loop get evaluated. That is, the value of I less than or equal to number. For I equals 1, 1 less than or equal to 3 evaluates to be true. Therefore, program flow goes inside the loop. Evaluates sum plus I equal to sum plus 1 equals 0 plus 1 equals 1. New value of sum equals 1. Now, the value of I get incremented by 1. Now, I equals 2. 2 less than or equal to 3 evaluates to be true. Therefore, program flow goes inside the loop. Evaluates sum plus I equal to sum plus 2 equals 1 plus 2 equals 3. New value of sum equals 3. The value of I get incremented by 1. Now, I equals 3. 3 less than or equal to 3 evaluates to be true. Therefore, program flow goes inside the loop. Evaluates sum plus I equal to sum plus 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. New value of sum equals 6. The value of I get incremented by 1. Now, I equals 4. 4 less than or equal to 3 evaluates to be false. Then, exit from the loop. After exiting from the loop, the variable sum holds the result value of sum. That is, sum equals 6. Now, print the value of sum using print statement. Let's see the output.